In this video, we're going to talk about meme coins. I'm going to show you my portfolio, and on top of that, I'm going to talk whether it makes sense to invest in meme coins still. But to start with everything, I have to recommend BullX, the best platform for trading meme coins, and the thing you see right now here is basically on BullX, and my entire portfolio of meme coins is here. But first of all, let's start with cryptocurrency prices by market cap. So as you have seen in the past couple of weeks, we basically had this huge sell-off with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana going down by basically like 20, 25%, 30%. If you go to individual price action, you will see that, especially if you go by 1 month, we had this big drop from August 3rd, 4th to basically the bottoms on the 5th. And the lowest for Ethereum was around $2,200 for Solana. That was 110, which was super low if you go, especially on the 5th here. As you can see, this big drop. Solana was quicker to get back to the prices before August 5th, so on around like August 2 and 3, but it still got a considerable drop. So we're probably still in a bull market, though you never know. It's always after the fact that you discover where you were in the market, but it seems like we have many good conditions for the market to go up, like different ETFs, basically people going, we have, and with ETFs with good flows, we have a lot of overhanging things like Mt. Gox or different sell-offs by government, like Germany already happened, so that's a good thing. On the macro side, I'm not an expert on the macro side, but it seems like with the rate cuts, stuff like that, probably coming into play in September. Most of the people seems to be bullish about that. I don't have my own opinion here because, again, I'm not a macro expert and don't pretend to be one, but I'm just looking at, from the statistical point, what people are saying on Twitter, Bloomberg, and elsewhere, from total experts to degens. Everyone has an opinion, and I'm trying to aggregate that. But how does this kind of setup, this environment, leaves meme coins? Basically, as you can see, we basically went down quite a lot. At the top, that was $20,000. Plus, I added a little bit more, so probably the loss here is more than 50% at the very least, and some of the coins got decimated. So I'm going to go through some of those coins because, as I explained to you before, I had this entire video, especially in my streams, that I was explaining culture coins and culture-related meme coins, and basically this is what my investing thesis for this cycle is when it comes to different meme coins. So what I'm looking at different culture coins that have a singular phrase that people can't identify with, something like lock-in or gigachat or aura or sigma mindset or let him cook, super S, which is a nostalgic coin, psyop, man of culture, stuff like that, that usually makes sense, especially if you spend a lot of time on TikTok, Instagram, other social media, then probably you have been exposed to those phrases, to those memes. They are living outside of crypto culture, but that's why we call them culture coins, because they are prevalent in general popular culture, and this is an interesting thesis. This is not related to any kind of dog or cat, even though I have dogs and cats, and it seems like there are a couple of good memes there as well. So we're going to go for that. I'm going also to mention what are the coins that are leading by the market cap. There's the entire list here, from the biggest ones like Popcat to the smallest like Kendu. This list is a little bit not that actual right now. First of all, it excludes coin over $1 billion, so you don't see things like Bonk, Weave, or Pepe here, or Doge, but also a lot of those coins falling down, especially Popcat, which is probably half of the price of that right now. So I also going to mention food coins, which I like, and animals. So starting with the portfolio, as you can see, we can order that by PNL or the amount that I have. Basically, the biggest negative PNL I have on Tramp, I bought it basically close to the top, and that's like 90% off right now. If you look at the graph currently, the chart shows that it's at 12 million market cap. So that's a pretty small, it's a medium-sized coin maybe. At the top, I think it was like $200 million market cap. So it's definitely not near way there. I'm probably going to hold it a little bit longer, but I don't expect it to do much. Maybe it will go to like 30-40 million on a good in a good environment, but I don't think it will go much before that. Beyond that, because basically we have so many different Trump coins. I mentioned different food coins, and here we have especially cheese, which I still like. At the top, that was close to, I think, $20 million. Again, went down 90%. Still like it. The team is super active, and also they're building different stuff. They have their own layer 3, I guess, trying to connect Solana and Ethereum, which is pretty cool. And on top of that, they have wine coin as well by different teams, but interconnected. You have wine, which basically went down to like 150k market cap at the top. That was $3 million. So that went down a lot. I bought a little bit on a dip, but for now the price action is pretty stable. But it's also solid. It didn't went down as much as some of the other coins that I have on the list, because you can see already here that I lost a lot on Culture Coin. So Culture Coin, Man of Culture, one of the culture coins that I have on the list, actually went down a lot. I just bought a little bit more just today because the current market cap is $64,000, which is super small. I was basically buying, I think, at like 650k market cap, and basically the coin went up to like around 5 mil. So that was super popular. As you can see, this graph going up and then suddenly dropping down. This is the price action that we have here. Not really cool, but this is one of the coins that I believe can have a move up if there's a good team around it. So I didn't know what happened to the coin exactly, but basically after everything, it just fallen down with everything falling down. But this is especially brutal. Other stuff, Epic, I lost like $700, but I definitely put much more soul into that. Epic is run by Mando from the OSF Mando team, and basically they do quite a lot. Mando is a great trader. He also is a great builder. So I believe in the long term, Epic will be a cool coin again. This is probably the one duck coin, the top one on the market right now. At the top, it was around $40 million market cap. Right now, $8 million market cap. So again, quite a big discount on the previous top. When memecoins will be coming back, and I believe they will at some point, especially if you have majors moving up, that's the thing that I'm looking forward. So I'm looking for Solana going basically to at least the previous highs, because that was like really good spot here. You had this run up from actually like 130 in July to 190 within like 2 weeks, right? And then we had this massive fall. So that was like just in the last 2 months, a lot of things happened to Solana. And if we get to this kind of price point again, then probably memes will resume to some point, and I believe like a lot of solid memes will get a lot of wind in their in the movement. So there's going to be a lot of action here. Of course, nothing here is financial advice. Crypto is risky. Nothing can of course go up. In the long term, you can all lose your capital, so you should be careful with that and only play with the money you're willing to lose. Now, going back to some of the other coins, of course, I have autism, which is one of the phrases on the crypto Twitter. Also fallen quite a lot from the tops. I think the top again was at $6 million. Right now it's 300k. So again, 20x from the top. Like most of the coins, that's basically 95% off. And this is pretty crazy. I'm still holding, adding a little bit to all those coins. Of course, I can be wrong, but if I just hit one of them, then that will be fine. Because if just one of those coins will go 20x to the previous tops, then basically that will return the entire portfolio. And that's my thesis beyond like putting 0.5 sol into some of them right now after so many discounts. So things like wine, things like culture, autism, cheese, Epic, maybe not to Trump, because I don't believe that can go much higher right now. Also coins like which is another culture coin. Lock-in, this is one of my favorites. Right now sitting at $10 million market cap. Basically it went to 40 or like even 50 50, I think. It was closer to 50. Yeah, it was 49.50 for a brief moment. So $50 million market cap, that's a huge one. This is definitely one of the top coins. When it comes to the phrases, when it comes to the attention the phrase get on different places, this is definitely one of the top ones, and I really, really like this one. So definitely will be putting some more on the dips here. Of course, again, putting on the dips is risky because if those coins won't go up, you won't be able to retrieve your capital, which is obvious. Again, play only with the things you're willing to lose. Couple of other things that I have, you wouldn't get it. This is one of the funnier ones, but this never did pretty well. I think that the meme coin is pretty cool, but right now it's basically abandoned at $4,000 market cap. I have a little bit not selling. Wawa Cat, I think this is one of the coolest cat coins. Super low, actually. So I'm going to actually add here maybe a little bit more for the Wawa. This is like super low right now. I keep on adding a little bit, but basically this went to like $1 million market cap. It never went super high, but still, this is a pretty cool coin that goes beyond this meme with Wawa Cat, which is a sad cat. Pretty cool one. So Wawa Cat. Now we have a bunch of others. I have things like Cook. This is one of the culture coins that I've mentioned. This is holding still pretty cool and great at $2 million market cap. The top was at around 9, I think. As you can see, the price action here is much better than the other coins, so it's definitely not abandoned. The phrase is still cool, so let him cook, and maybe this will go up again. So what we have else? We have Stan. So Stan was one of the top coins just like a couple of months ago, but basically it fallen down to $3 million market cap. At the top, I think that was pretty high actually. I think it went to like, yeah, $50 million market cap, maybe even higher, right? It was closer to like, yeah, $100 million market cap. So basically right now it sits at $3 million market cap. So that's a far, far away. I was buying that at around $10 million market cap. So that's definitely far away. And this is how you can lose all your money in crypto. If you bought at the top at $100 million market cap, then basically your $100,000 would become $3,000, basically just like that. If you were to put that kind of money, even if you put $1,000, you would get back $30, I think. So this is basically how you can lose all your money in crypto if you just keep on holding and not look at the market conditions, and that's why crypto is risky. Nevertheless, Stan is a great meme coin. Of course, after this kind of caps that are super popular, they are also great reply guys. Rating different tweets and also talking about that, so that's really great. Keep on buying, keep on holding. That's what I'm doing here. Jinan is one of the new coins. I keep on adding that a little bit. Just bought today, $30 million market cap. At the top, that was around 80. This is a new generation that just created 2 weeks ago. Together with Nero, I haven't. So Nero is, I don't have it. Because the main Nero is actually on Ethereum. Here's the only thing that I have. I don't think it's this one. The top one has like $189 million market cap. A little bit down from the top, but still performing pretty well. And this might be one of the biggest coins on Ethereum. But this is in the making still. So Jinan is the cat coin. That's pretty new, and I added to that as well. Meta is a funny coin. Nat is also funny coin. Silence, it's one of the culture coins that I added finally to my list. I was talking about that on my stream. Basically at the top, that was again at around like $3 million market cap, went down to around 400k, 500k right now. I bought a little. So you can see that. You can see also that dev bot here on the dip as well. So maybe something will happen in the future. This is after this meme with Silence, one of the most popular memes as well. So this is definitely in the culture coins category as well that we have here. So you can see also that I have Michi. I have a bunch of cat coins and dog coins. Michi is one of them. We have also Glorp recently from the cat coins. This is the one definitely talked about a lot by Michi recently. At the top, this was at around like I think $7 million. Right now it's close to $2 million, still falling maybe a little bit. I just bought a little, as you can see, for 0.5 SOL, and we're going to see what will happen here. So this is definitely a growing portfolio, as you can see. Some of the things I sold, some of the things I'm still holding. Sigma is definitely one of the favorites, currently sitting at $10 million market cap, which is pretty low. I was even buying that at $4 million market cap, so I'm still up quite a lot. But this was definitely higher previously. I think the top was at $24 million. Yep. So that's really great one. And then we have also Giga Chat. So at $238 million market cap, I was buying at 90. This is another great coin, probably not going anywhere, at least for the next couple of months. Again, not a financial advice. I don't know how high it can go. Some of those coins, if we have really great conditions, will become $1 billion staples. But you just need to hit a one like that from the bottoms and you'll be fine. Mumu is another such coin, great team. They're everywhere on Twitter, replying to everyone. So this is a great hold. At the top, they were at $300 million market cap. Right now at 100. I bought at 44, so that's still profitable. So if you look at my P&L from the positive side, Giga, Mumu, Sigma, those are the most profitable ones that I still have like 2x or 3x from the point where I bought them, which is really great. And I plan on adding more when the price action will see better, but already holding quite a lot in those coins. POV also gave me a lot of P&L, but basically I bought very early, sold, and then rebought a little bit. So the thing I rebought basically went to zero, as you can see, $7. But on the other thing, I made some money. Super S, I have to mention that one. This is one of my favorites when it comes to nostalgia coins. You have this S sign that basically kids from the 90s drew, and this meme coin is after that one in particular. So this is definitely a cool list, and basically everything here I really like. I'm only trying to buy meme coins that I like. So those are the things that I have, as you can see here on this list. Also, if you don't know how to find meme coins early, especially the one that can go very high, I recommend for you watching the video entirely about how to find meme coins early. I have this text basically explained, but the idea here is that you can all do that on BullX and also go with a couple of different Twitter lists to basically find new alpha. Now, going back to some of the stuff, and I wanted to show you this list of meme coins. So those are across all blockchains. So a bunch of them are on Ethereum, but those are definitely the top coins right now. So you have things like Popcat, Mog is on Ethereum, Dog, that's the biggest meme coin on Bitcoin, on the ordinals, Pepecoin, Mew, Maga, Paps, Turbo, another Ethereum coin, Slurf. That was this big controversy with Dev burning the pre-sale. Boden, we have Coq, Myro, DJT, Ponky, Wen, SC, Ladies, Daddy, Apu, Pork. So those are the copies of Pepe, more or less. Michi, Maga, Nairo. On Ethereum, that was much lower. I think that's higher right now. Well, no, maybe not. $200 million market cap. That shows $300 million market cap. We have Puff, NPC, Mumu, Wizard, Giga, Omnom, Mother, Candu. So I think I haven't checked Omnom for a long time, and this is what I wanted to do at the very end of this video. So let's have a look what's the market cap currently. I don't see the current thing here, but basically it should be a little bit lower, so maybe that's a good entry point. But you can see a lot of those coins went down quite a lot, and especially if you look at the price action and even my P&L, you can see that basically right now it's, well, probably for when it comes to invested funds, I'm basically at break even, maybe a little bit lower, but you can see how volatile is crypto, especially if you look at my streams. It went up significantly. I did like 2x on the entire portfolio, and then basically it went down, plus I added a little bit more, so I think I'm at a slight loss, but still performing pretty well. So this is the analysis of the coins that I have, my meme coin portfolio. Also, what I plan for the future is keep on adding to those ones, keep on discovering new culture coins. That's the thing that I have here on the list. You can see also the market caps as of the date of 20th of July, so you can see those tops basically then. And also I have some of the coins on the watch list that I keep on looking at for things like Billy, for example, things like a bunch of other coins that I keep on looking at and looking for good entry and thinking about whether I should enter them or not, like maybe Copson, Fangs, and a bunch of others. So there's really a lot of coins here on the list. I think altogether we have something like maybe 40, 45. Probably will be trimming some of them. I'm not, I'm not that active on many of them, and it doesn't make sense to let them run indefinitely. So I probably will be cutting on some of the positions to add to the winners, cut the losers, and basically see and manage these positions to like 10, maybe 15, because that's definitely more manageable. Thank you for watching. This is it. I really recommend going with bullets when it comes to discovering new coins on pump.fun, basically exploring everything. It's super easy to use. You have the link down below for 10% off trading fees. And for everything else, of course, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.